Hey folks, today we're going to check out how to upgrade your subscription to a perpetual license. These actions would take place when you've decided to end your TPC subscription and move to a perpetual license, which is basically a single user license that doesn't expire or require a renewal fee. You can keep this license as is and use forever, or until you decide to update it to a newer version on down the road. That option is always available, and you just have to pay the price difference. Okay, so from the Traverse PC landing page, we're going to navigate to the member area. When you enter the member area, look over to the left and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, head back to the right side of the screen to the member area menu and click License Manager. Once you're in the License Manager, you can view all of your TPC licenses. And since we're upgrading our subscription to a perpetual license, we're going to locate our subscription and then click View Upgrades. From here, you'll see that your only available option is a perpetual license. Next, take a look at the upgrade cost. This cost is prorated based on the subscription level that you had. So an annual professional subscription costs $878. Add that to the upgrade cost of $1,317 and you'd get $2,195, which is the cost of a professional perpetual license if you were to buy it outright. From here, you're going to click Upgrade License, and that will bring you to the checkout screen. You'll notice that what you're purchasing is a perpetual license and that you're upgrading your current license. Then you'll click Update Cart to lock that in. And from here, you'll scroll down and enter your payment method and payment info. And then once you complete all of your purchase information, you'll click Purchase. And then once purchased, you'll receive an emailed receipt that includes your new software download for your TPC perpetual license and a new activation key. That activation key will replace your old subscription activation key. So once you download, install, and start the program, you'll enter your new activation key and you'll be on your way. That's it in a nutshell. Thanks so much for watching.